Good morning, peeps. I am going to help you out. I wanted to show you how to get the assembly line block. Once you sign into my.pltw.org, go to Community. As you go to Community, click on Automation and Robotics. Once you're in Automation and Robotics, you're going to type in, go to the search field. You're going to type in assembly line. Once you search that, it says second assembly line saw blade. That's your saw blade you need. The block is the block we used in training with the cuts in it. You can do any of these. Just make sure they say STL file. Once you download it, it shows up right here, second assembly line saw blade. Make sure it's in an STL file right here. STL files are the files that we can open in SketchUp, and we can use those to slice. When I say slice, what we're going to do here is you have to download a Dremel Slicer app, which I have it here. Dremel Digilab 3D Slicer. Okay, once you have it here, you can click Open File, and you want to, for this one, second assembly line saw blade. That shows your saw blade here. If you click on it, it'll center everything for you. If you click on Scale, it shows you the dimensions for it as well. Once you have everything here, you don't have to do any dimensions or anything like that. Just go to Prepare. And what it's doing now is slicing. It says ready to save to file. And if you click here, it says save to file. And once you save to file, then you can save it to a disk, a USB, and you can plug the USB into your 3D printer. And once you pull it up, it'll show up as D3 second assembly line saw blade, and it may show the 1, and it'll say G code, I believe. But that's all you do there. You can do the same thing with the, hold on guys. You can do the same thing with the assembly line block. So I chose this one because it's STL. It says file extension STL. As long as it says STL, it's a good file you can use. But let me know if you have any questions, if this doesn't help at all. This is for Marita, Jessica, and everybody else, all the Fab Five, Sheila, Michael.